How to change aspect ratio in Adobe Firefly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So basically we're in this home section. Here you can find different tools in order to edit it. Here simply tap on this generate button. So basically this is the place where you can enter the prompt and generate different images and even videos. Here on the bottom you can find an option called aspect ratio. Simply tap on it. So this is the place where you can easily customize it. So it's up to your preference and the way you want to keep. So here I'm tapping on one. At last, here on the right top, tap on this tick button. Now you're all set to go. Whatever the images and the videos that are generated will be set on to the aspect ratio that you just clicked. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.